Okay, Vos. You said you were going to tell us about reporting.
Yeah.
What do you mean, actually? Do you mean we are going to get arrested if we accidentally spill sludge on the floor?
Probably not arrested, Xolani. But if you do your job carefully and make sure you follow all the procedures you've learned today, you'll be okay.
Oh.
But the health and safety risks are serious, so there have to be systems to make sure everyone does their job and that problems are addressed.
Okay.
I want to mention a few things before we finish today. Reporting, accidents, breaking rules, needs or problems, healthcare, training, penalties, and rewards. Firstly, you need to report any situation where a person or the environment is exposed to sludge.
So you mean accidents like sludge splashing in your face or something?
Or if a bin falls over and the sludge spills all over the household.
Yes, that's right. You also need to report someone you see not following the rules they've learned today.
Oh, like climbing into a pit.
Or somebody using something belonging to the household.
Exactly. You must report them.
Then you need to report any equipment that is lost or damaged, like torn gloves or boots, or any supplies that are running low, like masks, bleach or bin bags.
But who do we report to, Vusi?
When you are at the work center, your health and safety representative is responsible. Report to him. On site, you report to your team leader. They must fill out a reporting form and give it to the health and safety officer.
Who is the health and safety officer?
The health and safety officer is someone just like me. He or she is the top person who's responsible for the health and safety risk of this whole job.
She will come to the work center on a certain day of the week, and if you have any problems which haven't been sorted out, you can discuss them with her. You can also phone her at any time during the week. The health and safety officer will also make unannounced visits to your work site and to the center. At this time, if she notices that you are not following the correct procedure in your work, she will stop you and tell you, show you the correct way to do it, and mark it on your card as a violation. Sometimes the health and safety officer will ask you to demonstrate one of the skills you have learned. She will also mark this on your card. Don't forget to carry your health and safety card with you every day.
If you see your team leader or your health and safety rep not following the rules or giving you the supplies that you need, it is your duty to report them.
But what if I'm not comfortable reporting? You know, I do not like to get any of my friends in trouble.
It is absolutely necessary in order to protect someone else's health.
Yeah, and it's the law.
You also have the option of reporting directly to the health and safety officer by filling out one of the reporting forms in your pouch on site or at the center. You can put this in the reporting box. That way you can report problems without your co-workers getting angry with you.
What if someone keeps on setting you up, reporting you even if you didn't do anything wrong? What do you do then?
If the health and safety officer keeps getting reports about the same person or the same team, she will come to site to see for herself how the work is being done and try to get things back on track.
Vusi, what happens if we lose something by mistake, like a glove or a boot or something?
If something tears or breaks while you're doing your job, we will replace it for you. But if you lose something or damage it by not taking care of it properly, you will be required to pay part of the cost of replacing the item. This will be deducted from your pay.
Eish, I'm going to make sure I do not lose anything.
Yeah, and I'm going to make sure that my name is on all of my clothes so that nobody uses them.
Now, there is also good news. Workers who have not been booked for a violation will receive a bonus and recognition. Teams who have had clean inspections will also receive a reward and recognition.
Away, that's gonna be us, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's be the best team on the job.
Sure.
I'm getting the feeling you will. One last thing before we leave. Supporting your health.
As you know, your employer will provide you with a pre-employment medical before starting. If you work for 3 months or longer, you will also get an exit medical when you leave. We will also provide you with deworming medicine every 6 months that you work just in case you did get any worms in your system while working.
Haibo, is that gonna protect us from getting worms?
No, the only way you can protect yourself from getting worms is to make sure the eggs don't get into your mouth. The medicine will kill the worms if you have them in you. Okay, guys? Any questions?
Vusi, once we are done with this job, can we maybe perhaps keep our protective gear or must we give it back?
That's a good question. With your gloves and boots, there is no way to clean them so well that you know they have no more germs on them. They should be thrown away at the center. With your clothes, however, they will be cleaned and given to another worker.
Okay, Vusi. We get the picture. Let's wrap this up because I need to get going. A lot of people are needing things from me.
Yeah, we also need a few things from you too. Like maybe, giving us a break from you,
Yeah, Papa.
I'm sure all of you are waiting to take a break from us too. Let's practice, wrap this up, and so we can say goodbye.
Yeah, hi.